This is the Carsland Motor Oil Sipper. These things let you pretend you're drinking like a car. I mean, wasn't that super cute? Anyways, released circa 2015, they don't really sell these anymore, so if you want another one, well... The plan is easy. There is no plan. I just straight up 3D modeled from scratch and sent it to my printer. And don't worry, I'll be making these files available in the description. Not an exact replica, but I think it works pretty well. Except for this bit. I modeled it straight up and down for simplicity's sake, but as in this iconic scene...
Dang, he won 3 piston cups!
He did what in his cup?
It's curved to make it easier for the cars to drink, and also the original sipper is curved. So, how do we add our own after? Yes, the humble hair dryer. All you have to do is heat it up with your hottest setting to get the plastic pliable. I'd advise against a heat gun because it would melt the plastic, but if you're really good at control, give it a shot. Once you hit the right temperature, you can bend it. There you go. Get it into the exact shape you want before you lock it into place. Just like that. And to lock it into place, you just blast it with cold air. And there it is. You've got that perfect curve. Assembly is super easy. Pop the lid on and press it into place. Then stick on the spout until it clicks. And there you go, an oil can. It looks really good in the dark gray, like it's a real oil can. Now, we could stop here, but I did like the original label. But how as mere mortals could we get that look, finish, and waterproofness? Well, it turns out FedEx can print on quote-unquote waterproof paper. It's a thin plastic sheet and it wasn't expensive at all. I got 2 labels from this one sheet at about $4, so $2 a label. Anyway, slap some glue and boom! There it is, the Dynaco Motor Oil Sipper, homemade. It's got that perfect shine to it, it's waterproof. Ready to hydrate any car, truck, or van. And here it is next to the original for comparison. I did miss some details on the label because I made it from scratch, but I think it still comes across pretty good. Mostly the font sizes are a little bit messed up, but the fonts are actually accurate because I use AI to analyze the original ones. Same with the seal, I kinda copied it as best I could, but really, it gets the point across and it still makes me super happy. And before you comment, no, I'm not drinking from the plastic itself. I made the oil can slightly bigger than the original to put a cup in there. Then I threaded a straw through the spout, and then you can just guide that right into the cup itself. Your very own motor oil sipper, all safe to drink. I hope you give it a shot. Until next time.